How to upload high quality video on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload high quality video on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your TikTok. After you're on your TikTok, if you want to upload high quality video, there are a few settings that you might need to change. So one of them is head over to your settings on the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. After you're on settings and privacy, scroll down. After you scroll down, there you will see an option in cache and mobile. Head over to data saver. Now make sure that your data saver is turned off, because whenever you're trying to upload your video and your data saver is on, your data consumption is reduced when data saver is on, so video may take lower resolutions while uploading as well. So turn off your data resolution, and after you've turned off your data resolution, you can head back. Also free up your space, clear up your cache. If you don't have any cache, you can just clear up your downloads as well. So clear up your cache. After you've done that, and what you'll now next need to do is you'll need to make sure that your video is of good quality as well. Now if your video is not of a good quality, you uploading a good quality video and after that it gets better, it does not make any sense. So make sure that the video you're trying to upload is also of a good quality. And after you've done that, after you've turned off data saver and cleared up your cache, whenever you upload your video with strong Wi-Fi connection, your video will get uploaded in high quality. And that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.